Hi, welcome to Mariano Unfiltered. So, the last couple of days have been pretty wild. Um, the Iran issue, it's not even close to being settled. We had a brief ceasefire agreement, which of course Trump broke. So now Iran doesn't really want to go onto the table to negotiate, which I don't blame them because every time that they do, the Americans and the Israelis are the ones that are breaking their word. So I don't actually blame them for not coming to the negotiating table because why? All right. So because of this, there were news that Vance was going to travel to Pakistan for the negotiations. Though that has not happened. He's still in the U.S. Um, Apparently, Trump doesn't want JD Vance anywhere near him because Vance, at any chance that he gets, actually criticizes Trump and criticizes the war. So the president and the vice president are actually not in speaking terms. Go figure. Then we've had Kash Patel, our FBI director. Um, there were some whistleblowers, and there were an article came out saying that he's an alcoholic, that he drinks almost every day, that he has missed meetings because he's been passed out drunk. Also, that they have actually had to break down the door of his hotel room just to get him up for him to go to the meetings that he's supposed to go. So the president is losing the war in Iran. He's losing his mind too. We have the vice president that does not get along with the president, and he's unable to do any type of negotiation with Iran to bring this war to an end. We have our FBI director that is an alcoholic, full blown alcoholic. The guy is always drunk. So there's no way that the FBI is being run like it's supposed to be run. It just can't. Um, Other than that, the head of the Department of Labor, she quit because she's now under investigation for, surprise surprise, getting drunk. She apparently has There has been some funds that were misappropriated, to say it that way. She also did some private traveling with, of course, money from the government, which is completely legal. And the best one, she went out on a trip with a couple of her employees and she paid for a whole party at a strip club. Yes. The head of the Department of Labor of the US used our public funds to host a party in a strip club. And of course, it also came out that she's being unfaithful to her husband, with someone that works for her. So this is Christine part two. It's the same thing. As we all know, the economy is in the gutter. Sales cars haven't been this low in decades. The price of gas is through the roof. And it's not only gas, it's food, it's going to the doctor, it's everything. Um, Healthcare is going up, all the healthcare expenses are going up. So we have to pay more. People can't afford to go to the doctor, but guess whose earnings came out in Wall Street today? Throw a wild guess. Could it be the healthcare companies? Yes, they did. They put out their earnings today, and of course, they have broken records. Why? Very simple. This government, this administration, all they did was take away take away from the healthcare companies all the responsibility to actually take care of their patients, of the people that actually pay for the healthcare. So now they don't need to cover, they cover almost anything. So you're still paying out of pocket 400, 500, $600 a month, and nothing is covered. Nothing. While at the same time, they don't only control the healthcare that you buy, is that they also own the hospitals, and they also now are owning the medical practices. So this is the reason they're making so much money. They own the whole thing. From the moment you get sick, that first doctor's visit, it's money into their pocket. Well, you still probably haven't covered the deductible, so you're going to still be paying out of pocket until you cover the $50,000 deductible, or God knows how high it is now. Yeah. So recap, very simple. We are losing the war. We have no allies. The economy's in the gutter, and you cannot get healthcare in this country. Isn't America great again? Anyways, let me know in the comment sections your thoughts. Please follow and subscribe.